Hello everyone. I just want to do a real quick overview of this Klein Tools network crimper. And I purchased this product just, for kind of semi-casual use. Seemed alright. One thing I was never a big fan of is the little clip that kind of keeps it closed. It never seemed to work. And let's just say I probably crimped 30, maybe 40 cables with this. And once it fell from about 1 foot from a box and this thing fell off and the little pin that goes through it just flew away, and so that was that. And overall, I just want to say this product, it just feels really kind of shoddy. I understand if you just kind of need to crimp a couple of cables at home and cut a couple of wires, and I think that's not a problem. But if you want to use any kind of, you have any kind of professional intention, you want to use this on a regular basis and rely on this, I don't really think it's the product for you. Everything about it is kind of just made to fall apart. Like, for example, these things, I actually kind of put it on better. Oh, wrong way, sorry. Like these things, they just slide on and there's nothing really holding them on. So all it takes is a tiny little press and they come right off. Just everything about this, from kind of these parts that move and are flimsy to this, everything kind of rattling, it just feels like it's gonna fall apart piece by piece. And like I said, this is just like a super quick overview. If you want to buy this for your home, I think it's fine. But this is definitely not for professional use.